Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we are looking at simple tasks. This is not a personal to-do app. It's structured task and project system built manually for companies and organizations. I will show you how to use it properly and who is really designed for. This is the home website of Simple Task. The link is down in the description. Once you click it, it will take you to the homepage. You'll register with your email and confirm with your email address so that you can have an account and start your free trial. Simple Tasks is built for structured work, projects, clients, employees, statuses, locations. This system is designed for formal tracking, not quick personal reminders. Work here starts with a project. A project represents real work, a client, a department, or an internal process. This is different from lightweight to do apps. So what you're going to do is I want you to go to your management and I just want you to go to management project and task. So once you're here, I just want you to press add and you should see a new project list right here. Each project has a structure. Your association is responsible as an employee. You choose a category, you set a status, and this keeps accountability clear across teams. Process is tracked using statuses, not just check marks. You can quickly see what's active, what's pending, and what's complete. This works well when managing many projects at hand. Daily work here is reviewed based. You can check activity projects, update statuses, and monitor processes. This fits team environments with formal processes. So I'm just gonna show you how do you create a project. So the first thing is you need to write a name. I'm gonna write a name. You're gonna write a description about it. Once you have done that, then you write the name, description, and you write the client, and you choose the client's name, depending on which is the client and which governmental institution are they. So you just scroll down and choose the government that you, of course, institution that you guys are going around with. So I'm just going to choose anyone for the sake of an example. So I'm just going to choose this one. So then you're going to choose a category, main category you can choose. You can choose category, what it's about, and just write that right there. So I'm just going to choose main category. Then you're going to choose the type of project. Excuse me, I'm just scroll down. Then you can choose the type of project. What type of project this is? Is it for client, customer, internal, support, maintenance, or training education? So I'm just gonna put training education right there. Then you're gonna write responsible employee. Then you're gonna write the responsible employee's email, participate employees. We're gonna write them there. If you don't have them, you just have to add them manually here and input all the information that's needed so that they can appear here. So just need to add your employees right here and participate and add them automatically because when you come into this section here, it's all about now choosing. So you first need to add. So after you're done with that section, you go to the other section whereby you're gonna write the start date of the project and the end date of the project, the annual start date and the annual start at the end of the date. So your when you're going to begin and when you're going to end the project. Then you can write the address, the zip code. You can choose the city, the municipality based on that country, the region, the country itself, which country is it, and status. Status is very important because this is where it's actually allocated. If it's planned, in process, finished, cancel. This is a simple way to actually track how employees and the task at hand is going alone. After you've done that, you just press save. Of course, I still need to fill in some couple of things, but the more that's how you just build up a project. And once you are done with that, you should see that there's a lot of things here. There's a lot of there's a lot of features. Companies very expert. There's employees, documents, invoices, receive bills. So there's a lot of things that the companies use to actually track and deal with other clients. And there are some more tools that you can use. But adding the project is the first basic simple way so that you know what you're dealing and what is your project and how to track it. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly. You can add using voice. When it's time to work, you just press the time. So if you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the home page and you just click here, get for free. Then you just install your name, email, and password, and you just create your account. This is LemTask dashboard. This is how it looks. So I just want us to focus on the brainstorm feature. LemTask has a lot of features to help you stay productive, to help you execute your tasks, and help you set them up very quickly. So right in front of me, I have so many features here. Import, whereby I can import any files that can become text. I can also put transcripts that can become also tasks. I can also drop any SVS files that can be also task, and also any audio that can convert that can be also into task. So I'm just going to make two examples how I use the voice feature, which I love the most in terms of scheduling my day. Send invoices today. Once that is done, I just add in my date. I just add in the day, and I just add like that. Once I go into my today section and I scroll just down, today's section is basically where all of our tasks stay that has to be done today. So as you can see right in front of me, um, I have set out my task right here. It's already done for me. It's already scheduled. What's left for me is when the time hits, I should be able to do this task. And once I'm done, I just click execute. So for me, that's how easy and simple it is to actually just schedule a task using LemTask voice feature. It only leaves me to do the work and execute and not just plan for the task like typing. Simple tasks works best for companies and organizations. For structured projects, clear ownership and formal tracking. It's powerful when you use it for the right type of work. The key is choosing the tool that matches your workflow.